Today I'm going to be reviewing these leather luggage tags. They come in various colors. They're top quality, privacy protected, and it also includes a personal information card. Let's see, you can use it for your suitcase, backpack, handbag, and they said it's innovative design, careful service. Each tag has two pieces of double-sided print, personal information cards for you. It has a flip cover on the front. You can insert the flip into the slot at the bottom to protect your privacy. Okay, so let's open this up real quick. So I got all of the same colors. They're really nice. This is how the leather is. You can see what does it say on it? Have a pleasant journey. And here it is like the strap. Let me take this off. It has here to strap it on wherever you need to put it, and then you pull this out, and it's laminated here like for protection, so if any scratches, nothing like that would help it. You can put your name, or wouldn't harm it, sorry. You can put your name, phone, email, and address on here, and you take it out from this side if you can. There you go. And it is double-sided, so you can have it this way or the long ways, and then you just slide it in so you can see. Especially like if you have a luggage, so you know who everyone's luggage is, or you have a common color luggage like black, that's mine. So having this, something like this on it, will be really easy to detect it.